Yasutikanis, everybody. We're going to be learning some basic Greek and we're going to have a lot of fun today. Kalimera is good morning. Kalispera is good afternoon. Kalinikta is good night. Efhanisto is thank you. Parakalo is you're welcome. Puine is where is, and Poso is how much. Now we're going to count from 1 to 10. Ana, δύο, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to go over some basic foods. Gala is milk. Butido is butter. Koto is chicken. And somi is bread. Ohi is no. I really hope that you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. I really enjoyed filming and sharing this amazing fun video with you. I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I can't wait to share with each and every one of you. Make sure you're also following me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, beautiful breakfasts, lovely lunches, and delicious dinners. They all can be found right here on my Instagram. Be sure to also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games and love even more being able to share all the fun, witty, entertaining hashtag game responses with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Also on my Twitter stories, which are called Fleets, I share my latest thumbnails for my videos, as well as on my Instagram stories. But on my Instagram stories, I also put a countdown timer that when you click on it, it will turn on a reminder as well as let you know in your time zone when the new video will be going up. I hope you follow me on both of my social medias. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I can't wait to share so many fun and entertaining videos with each and every one of you. Let me know in the comments down below what words you'd like to know in Greek. I'd love to be of help to you. I hope you enjoyed this fun, wonderful video. I also have a video in the description box below that I'll be linking for some basic Spanish as well. I love being able to share my language learning journey with each and every one of you. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Bye!